recently completed the construction of a new facility in Taiwan. The Taiwan Center has been established to support the growing numbers of semiconductor customers in the country. Taiwan is a country where BOC Edwards is making significant progress. The semiconductor market has not experienced the kind of downturn seen in other parts of the world, and a number of global semiconductor players continue to invest in this dynamic market. Located in the vicinity of the Hsinchu science-based industrial park, containing many of the world's major semiconductor manufacturers, the Taiwan Center is just one example of BOC Edwards' drive to create a strong presence in the region. The 4,000 square meter complex employs some 45 staff. It contains a dedicated service center which will provide customers with a professional and responsive service. The center also accommodates BOC Edwards sales, operations and regional product support staff. The Taiwan facility will now become one of the main pillars for BOC Edwards activities in Taiwan and is one of the company's major centers in this part of the world. Etienne Danois-Maricq, BOC Edwards President for Asia, explains the importance of the new investment.
Well, Taiwan is the world's largest semiconductor contract manufacturer, so-called foundry business. It's a very large DRAM market. It has shown very strong growth in flat panel display. So clearly it's a foundation implementation of the BOC Edwards strategy here in Asia region. We count more than 30 customers, and these customers are coming more and more global. There's another trend in industry, which is that of majors more and more going fabless, in other words, subcontracting to other semiconductor companies their business. And it has to be good for the local Taiwan market. Therefore, our presence here is absolutely crucial to capture these new market opportunities. And finally, the secret of success is actually very simple. It's good products, good services, and excellent customer relationships. So you can't do it by remote control. You have to be here in Taiwan.
Taiwan is not the only recent investment in Taiwan. BOC Lianhua, our joint venture gases company, has recently completed construction of an advanced cleanroom cylinder filling plant at Taiyuan, the first facility of its kind in Taiwan. This is a country where BOC Edwards is committed to creating a strong local presence. Jeff Eagles, General Manager for Taiwan, outlined some of the benefits to customers of these two recent major investments.
Our Taiwanese semiconductor customers are as sophisticated as any semiconductor manufacturers in the world. They are expanding both in Taiwan and globally, and they expect the same standards of service globally and locally. Our customers have been very impressed. They see the investments as a measure of BOC Edwards' commitment to the Taiwanese market, and they've started to see tangible results. The customers view many of our products as commodities. They feel that they can obtain the same product from one supplier or another, and the service element is becoming a key differentiating factor. Taiwan is a major world player in the semiconductor and liquid crystal display, or LCD, market. These industries are main drivers for Taiwan's economic growth. In terms of the semiconductor equipment and materials business, Taiwan is the third largest market for our business in the world. It follows closely behind markets in the USA and Japan. Taiwan semiconductor industry has been fairly robust during the current turndown in business. And in fact, there are several new projects under construction, and we expect a very big growth market here starting in the year 2000. So I believe that over the next several years, the market here in Taiwan will be a very important one to drive the growth of BOC Edwards.